Nestled on a sprawling 10 acres, this 6-bedroom, 6.5-bathroom home is a year-round escape for those seeking relaxation and adventure. Welcome to Wander Stowe Woods. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of this modern home that sleeps 12 and includes amenities like a tennis court, a pool, a hot tub, a gym, and so much more. So let's go inside. Welcome to Wander Stowe Woods. Come inside. Upon entry, you'll see a bathroom off to this side for your convenience. And then right over here, we have the mud room, which is ideal for storing all types of things. Tons of racks for coats. And we also have a boot warmer here, which is great for the winter months. You can heat your boots up before you hit the slopes. We have tennis rackets, and there are enough tennis rackets for an entire group to play tennis. So you can grab these, head right down over there, and enjoy the tennis court we have here. Here we have the main living area. I absolutely adore this design. It is open concept and contemporary, filled with space. There's tons of room for everyone. To this side, we have the gorgeous kitchen. Now, this isn't your typical kitchen. We have everything you need to make a perfect meal here, from high-end dishware to glassware to pots, pans. And if you're a cook, you're gonna love all the amenities. Look at this gorgeous refrigerator. It almost blends seamlessly into the design. Granite backdrops. It's just stunning all around. And here at Wander, you can take your family vacation to the next level. We have cups, we have plates, we have silverware, all for babies, in addition to high chairs, car seats, and even a crib. So really just relax, come here with your little ones, and we have it all covered for you. If you're not a cook like me, I'm lucky enough to have my husband do the cooking, then we can suggest a private chef to come here and cook you, your family, your friends an amazing meal, and then serve it right over here at this dining table for 8. What I really love about this space is if you do love watching someone cook, you can enjoy that right on the bar stools right here, get a full seat to all the action. We also have a wet bar, so you can make some lovely craft cocktails here. We have a wine fridge as well. You are set overall in this house for entertaining. Let's head into the main living area. This is a great spot for relaxing, especially after a day on the slopes. We have a fireplace here, which is absolutely lovely in the cooler season. The ceilings here are extremely high, which makes it seem very open, spacious. Tons of seating here as well. We also have logs on either side of the fireplace so that you don't have to worry about going and getting them yourself. There's also a seating area over here. To the back of the living room, we have an additional entertainment area, seating for 4 here, a lovely TV which doubles as a piece of art. How cool is that? And then over to this corner, we have an entire game area. So imagine, choosing one of these lovely games, playing it right here. Maybe you have a movie on. This entire floor, from this side to the living room to the kitchen, all have sliding glass doors that open up to our outdoor space. And there is a lot to talk about there, so let's get into it. This house boasts an Fresco kitchen and dining area. We have a gas grill right here for you, and this is pretty cool. It's a pizza oven. I mean, how many houses have a pizza oven? You can enjoy that fresh pizza you made right here at this beautiful wooden dining table, which sits 8 people, and the views are amazing. You see mountains, and you see the expansive lawn that comes with this beautiful property that is so large. We got a tennis court over here. We could have an entire soccer team playing over here. There's actually goals that you can use, and a beautiful bonfire pit, which is perfect for the evenings if you want to roast some s'mores, get nice and cozy. There's also a gorgeous pool. Right now it is closed for winter, but don't you worry, because in the summer months you can enjoy that with those mountain views. However, if you are here during the cooler months, you can enjoy swimming as well in your gorgeous, luxurious in-ground hot tub. Beautiful slate tiling around it. If you are coming here in the summer, then you have to listen up, because in addition to enjoying this pool, you'll also get our special pool house, which comes with all types of cool things for you to experience. There's an outdoor shower, there's a changing room, and there is a room filled with pool accessories like games, floaties, and much more. So you don't need to bring anything with you. We have all the fun here right at Wander Stowe Woods. What makes this even better? It is Wander's state-of-the-art home automation technology. That is right, your smartphone is the magic key that unlocks the entire Wander experience. From turning on the lights to unlocking the door, everything is controlled right here so you can enjoy your full experience with ease. Towards the back of the house, which is accessible right from that seating area, we have a bedroom, bathroom, and sauna. Here's one of our first bedrooms. This has a queen-size mattress. We have charging stations on either side of the bed, our famous workstations, which I will get into a little bit later, and a Samsung TV for you. There's also tons of storage for all of your bags and everything you need right in this closet. Around the corner from the bedroom, you have the bathroom, and I love how bright this bathroom is, how open concept this is, yet we still have these doors that will slide closed to give you privacy, which is very convenient. There is a separate toilet room right here. I love the tiling on the floor. It's marble with a pattern. There's a cement built-in sink countertop. It's one whole piece, modern design with this. And then the shower. I love this shower. Rain shower head. We have another jet here. Let's head down this way. We have our sauna. That is right. This house comes with its very own sauna. You can hang up your Wander bathrobes right here. This is great to relax after a long day on the slopes, which are just nearby. Welcome to the primary wing of the house. This is the primary bedroom, bathroom, and even an office. I love this area because it is completely separate, so you have some privacy, you have an escape, it's your own oasis. Right here, we have the office. Let's talk a little bit about these workstations here, because this is what makes Wander. So here are our famous Wander workstations. We have 4 of these here at Wander Stowe Woods. This is great for the digital nomad, or perhaps you're here on a corporate retreat, or maybe you just like to stay connected. Either way, this is going to be amazing for you. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property, so even though you're in more remote locations, you can still stay connected and not get frustrated with slow internet. I feel like we've all been there, and it's the worst. Each workstation has an uplift sit-to-stand desk. There is the best Logitech Brio 4K camera, so you will look clear in all of your Zoom calls and won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has 38-inch ultra-wide LG curved monitors, and what's really impressive is how the moment I arrived, all I had to do was connect my computer with a single wire, and everything was seamlessly linked up and ready to use. It makes the entire process a super smooth, no-fuss experience. Let's go into the primary bedroom. I am obsessed with this bedroom. It is so spacious, so clean, a contemporary, beautiful design with gabled ceilings. I am in love with this pendant chandelier, and then you have these doors that open up to reveal the beautiful mountains. This is great in autumn. You see all the different colored leaves. You're looking out to the pool, and of course, we have our Wander beds, which are the most comfortable beds to sleep on. I promise you, you will have a better night's sleep here than you do at home, and that is because we invest in the latest in sleep technology to make sure you have an amazing night's rest. There's also a Samsung TV right here. We have wireless phone chargers on either side of the bed, so that way if you forget your phone charger, no need to worry, we got you covered right there. We have a dream closet. This is kind of like a California closet design, tons of space for your luggage, for your clothes, and then also a little reading nook right here. And the thing that I really adore about all Wander properties is that the interior design reflects the exterior where the property is. So since Vermont is known for its skiing, for its beautiful fall foliage, you're going to see that reflected in the art, the interior design of the space. Welcome to the primary bathroom. We have a freestanding oval tub. We have some penny round tiling here on the ground, a glass shower that is frameless. We have a granite dual sink countertop, and all of the shampoo, conditioners, and amenities you would need to feel welcome right when you arrive. You don't need to bring your own shampoo and conditioner here. We have it all for you, in addition to a comb, a vanity kit, and all that. And when you get out of the shower, you can have your towels warmed up right here on the towel rack. It is an absolute dream. On the other wing of the house, we have 3 more bedrooms. Come upstairs and I'll show you them. I love the view from up here because you look down at the main living area, you see these farmhouse chandeliers, the gambrel ceiling, you see those speakers that are in there, surround sound speakers in the main living area that comes all the way out here. Let's head right over here to one of our bedrooms. Here is one of our 3 guest bedrooms on the top floor. We have a queen size bed here, a gorgeous blue drum pendant chandelier. The blue theme here is throughout the room, so if you love blue, this is a room for you. We got day beds with a blue plaid design, a gorgeous little rug here as well. Say you have extra guests, you can have them stay right here. Pull out an extra bed for them. Very convenient, right? There's also a Samsung TV, wireless cell phone chargers on either side of the bed, and then a full bathroom with a shower and that beautiful penny round tiling as well, and all of the bath amenities that you would need. The shower here also has a window that looks out to the mountains, which is really nice when you're showering. Down the hall, we also have a queen bunk room with a fun hanging pod chair. Don't you love that? That's perfect for reading, very relaxing in here. I love the art on the walls here. It really reflects that Vermont environment with the bear. This room is perfect for kids. And here is our 3rd bedroom on this floor. This has one of our famous workstations with all of the amenities I mentioned earlier. We have a queen size bed, a suede and shearling chair, a brass 5-light chandelier, a Samsung TV, tons of storage, wireless chargers on the sides of the beds. It's a dream. Off to the side of the 3rd bedroom on this floor, we have an additional bathroom with dual sinks, a shower, and all of the things that all the other bathrooms have in this Wander house. Now let's head downstairs to our recreation rooms. At the bottom of the stairs, you'll encounter our game room. And here you can head right out this door to our soccer field right around the corner. You can watch some TV on our high-end Samsung TV, play some shuffleboard, who doesn't love that, or even enjoy a game of pool. Imagine all the fun you can have here. To the back of the game room is the media room, and this is the perfect place to enjoy a movie night. And that is because this entire room gets really dark, and we have a huge flat screen TV here with a Sonos sound bar, so you get the full movie watching experience. In addition to that, we have backgammon right here, which is really fun to play with friends, and it works so nicely because the game room is right there, so these 2 rooms kind of work together very nicely. Down the hallway from the game room and the media room, we have the laundry room. And this isn't your typical laundry room. We have everything you could possibly need to get out those stains. As a mom, I appreciate this. We have bleach, detergent, even a steamer here, an ironing board, an extra sink to wash out those stains, of course the washer, the dryer, and an area where you can fold the clothes. It's a dream. Down from the laundry room, you have a full bathroom with a shower and all of the amenities that you would need. Further down the hallway, we have the gym. That is right, you don't have to worry about missing a workout because we got a gym right here for you. Here we have a Peloton, a water rower, a bench with weights, you have yoga blocks, a Sonos speaker, and another TV for you. And that's not all you need to know about this house. Let's get into the additional details that will really enhance your stay here. In addition to the main house, we have a guest house for you. Come inside, let me show you this one. So here we are in the entrance to the guest house. This house is perfect for 1 to 2 people, and upon entry, you have a lovely spot right here to hang your coats, your stairs right up to the top. This is the garage, so if you're parking your car, you can come straight in through the garage. Let's head upstairs and see the main area. When you get to the top of the stairs, to the left, we have this lovely outdoor area. This area has its own table for 4, and we even have a grill for you. So if you want to cook separately from the main house, we have you covered. To the front of the deck, there is the tennis court, and you can see the mountains from here and the expansive soccer field in front of the house. We have a washing machine and dryer, which is so nice because you don't have to worry about dirty clothes. And then this bathroom is absolutely stunning. I love the black and white tiling. We have a granite countertop, all of the amenities that we had in the house, so that high-end shampoo, conditioner, vanity kit for you, a blow dryer so you can leave yours at home. The shower has subway tiling, glass doors, very chic and elegant. Across the way is the bedroom. The bedroom here is minimalistic. You have a queen-size bed that's super comfortable, a phone charger, and ample space for storage with the closet and the wardrobe. The main living area is meticulously designed. One of the things I love about this house house is how much artwork reflects the outdoor area. We have the Stowe Woods map over here, high ceilings, a cozy little area for watching TV. In here, there are a ton of games that you can use and you can play with friends. And then there is a reading nook right here as well. And then on this side, we have the kitchenette. Now it may be a kitchenette, but you can make pretty much anything here. We have all types of high-end appliances, high-end dishware. You have a panini machine, a toaster, a oven, a stovetop, literally everything you could ever need to make an amazing meal. You can enjoy that right here on the table for 4. Overall, this house is so great that it could be its own standalone property because it really has everything you need to have a wonderful retreat in itself. Ever feel overwhelmed planning your vacation? We have all been there, and that is why here at Wander, we provide you with a solution. We have our Wander Concierge, which comes with this whole experience. All you need to do is text them at this number right here, and they will provide details on things to do, eat, and see in the area. In addition to that, we have a travel guide that you can check out next with more suggestions on restaurants, bars, attractions, and more. At Wander, we believe humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Anyone can stay at one of our properties, and if you're an employer looking for the ultimate employee perk, our Wander's Team program allows you to purchase credits towards corporate retreats, awards for top performers, and as team-wide benefits. Head to wander.com/teams to learn more. And that completes our wonderful house tour of Wander Stowe Woods. And check out our travel guide next to learn all about what you can do here. We can't wait to welcome you.